Hello guys, so we'll be doing a Buwan piano tutorial. Let's start with the chords. The chords that I'll be using is in the key of C. So C is C, E, G. Or you can do a bass here with octave. So that's the root key, which is C. And then it goes to F. So you just move this F, A, C, and then G would be G, B, D. And if you're not that familiar with the chords yet, I suggest you go back to my previous lesson, which is Progressive Electronic Keyboard, book 1, and it's there, the 3 chords. So we can do this C chord here and C chord here, triads, and F, and then G, and back to C. So that's the chords. Now if you want the melody, so C, C, D, E, D, C, A, and then the chords change to F, and then G, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, and then again C, D, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, C, B, D, C. Okay. And then we got 7. So C plus 6, 7. And then the chorus. So G, G, A, C, A, E, D, C, D, D. So again, G, G, A, C, A, E, D, D, G chord, B, B, G, C. BBGC. Okay, again chorus, you get the 7, G, G, A, C, A, E, D, D, B, B, G, C. BBGC. Okay, so if we do it all together, you get the C chord, F, and then G first, B, C, D, and G. Seven. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.